Imagine a world where you can enjoy your favorite books, jot down important notes, and collaborate on documents all in one sleek device with a fantastic e-ink display. Welcome to the world of the Amazon Kindle Scribe, the perfect fusion of an e-reader and a notepad. The Kindle Scribe boasts a large 10.2-inch 300 ppi paperwhite display with an auto-adjusting front light and also adjustable light temperature. It's also got USB-C charging, an impressive battery life of up to 12 weeks, plus with storage options ranging from 16 gigabytes up to 64 gigabytes and a basic pen included. It's the most versatile Kindle that Amazon has produced yet. The Scribe combines the convenience of an e-reader with the functionality of a notepad. However, in this video, I want to focus on a bunch of the new features that Amazon recently released for the Kindle Scribe, addressing some feedback from early buyers and making the device even better in several ways. First, 4 features that just dropped as part of the Scribe's May 2023 update, starting with Write on Content. For the first time on Kindle, a selection of books and titles now support direct on-page writing. This means you can download things like crossword puzzle books or guided journals, write on your Kindle Scribe, and interact with them directly with the pen. These new interactive content options keep your mind sharp and make your reading sessions even more engaging. Next, there's Convert to Text in Export. This feature allows you to transform your handwritten notes into text when you export. So imagine you've just brainstormed an incredible idea and you want to share it with your team. With a single tap, your handwritten notes become a neatly formatted text file ready to be shared and further developed. This is a game changer for efficiency and collaboration. Another very useful addition is the new Lasso Select tool. This makes editing and organizing your notes way easier, especially when you've taken a copious amount of notes. With the Lasso Select tool, you can easily select, resize, and move your annotations. You can even copy and paste your selection within a notebook, sticky note, or PDF, making the Scribe a powerful tool for cross-referencing and consolidating information. Then there are the PDF reading improvements. Reading PDFs on your Kindle Scribe is already a pretty great experience, but now it's more flexible. With this new feature, you can switch between portrait and landscape mode when reading PDFs, and also crop margins to increase font size and make structured highlights. This means you're able to adjust your view and interact with a dense research paper or complex diagram with ease. It just enhances your experience with PDFs and facilitates a deeper understanding of your documents. That's what was new in the May update, but Amazon also dropped a handful of new features for the Kindle Scribe in late April as well, and I want to give you a look at those too. First, let's talk about the new notebook overview. And I'm glad this is here because prior to this, it was a chore to get to the right page in a notebook that had several pages in it. With the notebook overview, you get a 9-page preview, making it much easier to just tap into a specific page, which in turn makes it way easier to navigate and manage your notebooks. It's like having a bird's eye view of your ideas and insights. The notebook overview also lets you add, move, or delete single pages with ease. So you can now keep your notebooks organized, optimize your note-taking process, and focus on what truly matters, which is absorbing knowledge and generating new ideas. The next new feature is PDF reading and annotation improvements. Reading and annotating PDFs on your Kindle Scribe just got a lot better. You now have the ability to adjust contrast when viewing PDFs, which allows you to tailor your reading experience to suit your preferences. You're also able to adjust the contrast on dense research papers or image-heavy documents, making them more readable and enjoyable. This feature not only enhances your reading experience, but also helps reduce eye strain, allowing you to stay focused and productive for longer periods of time. Next, there's a new 2-column layout in landscape for ebooks. So as I mentioned, the display on the Kindle Scribe is nice and large. So that makes it great for reading in landscape, not just portrait. But at launch, you could only fit 1 page of text on the screen, despite all of that additional screen real estate when compared to other Kindle devices. Now, the 2-column layout and landscape feature has you covered. You can now easily switch between 1 or 2 columns in your ebook when your device is in landscape mode, further allowing you to customize your reading experience to your liking. The real advantage here is adaptability. Whether you're reading a novel, textbook, or article, this feature allows you to optimize your screen space, making your reading sessions more comfortable and efficient. Up next, send to Kindle from Microsoft Word. Gone are the days of endless emailing and file transfers. With the latest update, you'll be able to send .doc and .docx files straight from Word to your Kindle Scribe. Not only does this save time, but it also makes it incredibly easy to review and annotate your documents while on the go. Now, when you look at all of these features together, the real benefit here is that your Kindle Scribe becomes an extension of your workspace, making collaboration seamless and hassle-free. You no longer need to carry multiple devices or print out documents, as your Kindle Scribe will have everything you need right at your fingertips, including a pen for filling out and signing documents. The powerful new features transform your Kindle Scribe into an all-in-one device for reading, note-taking, and collabing. The new update is available now, so if you got a Kindle Scribe, grab the update and try them out.